Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Miguel's View. And we're going to go over Dogecoin. What is going on with Dogecoin? Is Dogecoin crashing? Is Dogecoin going to $1? What is going on? Well, you're about to find out exactly what Dogecoin is doing. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you find this informational. Good to you. Also, stay tuned because I'm going to give some details of how to stay in the play for Dogecoin. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so welcome back. And today we're going to go over some headlines that are going around in Dogecoin. All right, so really quick before we get into the charts, let's get this over. And it says Dogecoin up 12,000% since January. Robinhood goes bust just as Dogecoin goes boom. Let's see what's going on. What's trending with Dogecoin? Dogecoin, it will become the currency of Mars. Okay. All right. So if you plan to live in Mars, there you go. Dogecoin price finally tops 69 cents, flips XRP to become top 4th crypto. That's huge. Okay. Top ranked 4th crypto, right in line for Dogecoin. That's huge. The next hot altcoin, outperforming Dogecoin, Ethereum on Thursday. I haven't looked at that. Only whales move Dogecoin. Data suggests major Dogecoin wealth gap. Okay, let's see what else. $1 Dogecoin looks like almost inevitable now. Dogecoin is up because it's funny. It is funny. Dogecoin is surging again, and for some actual reasons. Okay, so nothing spectacular. Let's go ahead and get into the charts really quick. All right, so here is the charts. Now I am gonna update my trend lines. Hopefully you've been keeping up with my Dogecoin series videos and you know exactly what's happening. If you were following me, you know that this trend line right here, all right, that was our next target. And look at where it hit, ladies and gentlemen. It hit right at the top of that trend line. So let's go ahead and scoot it up because I do this on every video. Okay. All right. So now remember when one becomes support, when one becomes resistance, and it becomes new support. So that's exactly where we are bouncing now. All right. So this is the 4 hour. Okay. Now, what's interesting to know is that the 4 hour MACD is crossing. All right. So a lot of people might pull the boat. So let's see here. All right. We also broke this beautiful MACD trend that we had going on the 4 hour, guys. So overall, I think we're still holding up pretty well. You could see right here where this wick came down to around 52 cents. I think it hit 50 on the smaller time frame. It just got bought back up. Okay, the reason there's a wick because as soon as it sold off, there's so many orders there that it just brought it back up and it jumped right back up. So that is good to know that there's a lot of volume and a lot of orders, okay, for Dogecoin in this area. All right, you can see here it came again and it bounced right back up. So it is good. And this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna draw a trend line in this area. Okay. And that is okay. So we could see a flag forming in the 4 hour. Okay, we could see a flag forming. If we break through, guess what's our next stop? Come on. What is it? All right. Depending on how long we take, remember this trend line keeps going up. And if it goes here and it squeezes, this trend line is gonna be around 80-90 cents, right? That would be the next target. All right, but let's take it a step at a time. Let's go to the 1 hour. I'm going to show you why this happened. All right. Okay. You see, I don't know if I explained in the last video, but you see this top right here. Okay. We made a new high and we made another new high. Okay. The problem was, okay, we got an RSI divergence. Okay. This lower high, and then we get candles that are newer high. So it creates an RSI divergence, which is a bearish indicator that the stock is going to go down. Okay, that's exactly when I saw this. Okay, I knew that it was time for a pullback. Not only that, but we hit exactly that trend line that we had drawn. So that's why you need to be following this channel. Okay, because my targets are hitting exactly to the dot. All right, and you need to be, they're critical targets that you need to know of, so you can expect, so you can know when the stock is gonna pull back, know exactly what it's doing. If you have diamond hands, all right, and you say, oh, I'm holding to the dollar, well, know that in this area you're gonna have pullbacks. In this areas you're gonna have some support. You know exactly what's going on. So let's pull this over here. So if this trend, friends, were to break right here, if this were to trend, guess where it's going to go next? All right, to this 44 cent area where we had a lot of a hard time breaking in this channel. All right, finally we broke through. All right, so now it becomes our new support. So if 50 cent were to break, all right, we're coming to that 43 cent area. All right, and we would bounce from there and then button heads with this line right here. But look at the 1 hour. Okay, the MACD is coming all the way down. All right, the stock is staying above this trend line and now it's looking to curl up. All right, so pay attention to this. Pay close attention to this. All right, if we start curling up through here, all right, the RSI starts coming up, the MACD starts coming up, we get all the MACD traders, and we're gonna come back and test the 66, the 67, 66 area, and then next, get, you know what's coming, 80 cents. All right, but first, all right, we need to get on this downtrend channel. All right, so keep an eye, because the only one right now that has a MACD negative is the 4 hour. Okay, so the 4 hour is still looking a little bearish. The MACD did find some support here last time. You see this right here. Okay, so we might come a little bit more down. Okay, the stock might come and bounce once more from this trend line before it moves up, and hopefully the MACD turns around. We get all those MACD traders back, okay, in the game, and we go to 80 cents. So everything, no need to panic. All right, as long as we stay above this trend line right here, there is no need to panic. There's no need to panic, unless we break this trend right here. You know, we're gonna come back over here, and then you need to have a plan. Okay, what's your plan? Are you getting out if it breaks this trend? Okay, if you're not, you're like, no, I'm not getting out. Okay, are you getting out if it breaks this trend? You might say, no, I'm not getting out. Well, are you getting out when it breaks this trend? No, I'm not getting out. Well, are you getting out when you breaks this trend? No, I'm not getting out. Well, are you getting out when you breaks this trend? No. Okay, what's your plan? All right, if it goes all the way back to 10 cents, is that when you're getting out? And then the stock is going to reverse all the way back up to 50 cents in the dollar. What is your plan? You need to have a plan. Okay, don't follow what people say. You need to have a plan. It's your money. You need to have a plan with it. Now, we're not always going to get the top perfectly. Okay, you could take money along the way. You could take some profits along the way. You know, you're never going to get the top perfectly. You know, it happens all the time. Oh, I should have held. And the next time you hold and you lose all your gains, because it's all mind psychology. Because the last time it went more, this time on another stock, okay, or another coin, this time you want to hold forever again. And this one ends up giving everything back. So be smart with what you're doing. You're never going to get the top perfectly. Maybe you will nail it here and there, but it's better to leave money on the table than to just give everything back. Look at the daily. The daily still looks good. According to the past RSI, we still have room all the way up here. Okay, if this RSI gets all the way up here, we're going to be hitting close near $1. Okay, this trend is going out really nice, moving up, trending really nice. MACD is trending really nice. The only one that looks a little bearish is the 4 hour. But as long as we stay up this trend, we break through this, I think we'll start curling up on that 4 hour and everything will be Gucci scoochie. So hopefully you find this data informational and you're making the best of it. I sold at 69, though 69 is a number joke. Okay. Hey, you do what you got to do, man. You sold at 69. You sold right at the top. Okay. That's awesome, man. So, have a plan. Are you going to load again? Are you done? Everybody has to have a different plan. Everybody's taking profits at different times. Even the dudes making all these YouTube videos telling you, I'm holding. I guarantee you a big percentage of them, they're taking profits along the way. Okay. They're smart. There's a reason why they're building wealth. All right. So don't get into the hype, build a plan and say, okay, this level, this is where I'm going to take some profit. Just have a strategy and stick to it. That's all you got to do. Just have a strategy. I will load again because a lot of people are holding. Okay. Hey, man. Yeah, just find some support levels. If it comes back and touch this trend line, that's if it breaks, you can load here. Just find places of support where you can load again and ride it back up. So, everybody has to have their own plan. Hopefully, the videos that I show you kind of help you out, give you an idea where the stock is going. I don't give any investment advice, where to buy, where to hold. Okay. I have my own plan. I have my own strategy, and I just give you my point of view so you can see everything much clearer. And hopefully it makes a lot of sense to you. You could see that everything that I've been drawing is just hitting to the dot, and hopefully the RSI, the MACD, it all makes sense to you. It's not rocket science. If hopefully I'm explaining it correctly and you understand what I'm saying, but if it helps you, man, just give me a thumbs up, give me a like, subscribe to the channel and share the video. Other people might find it educational for them as well. Okay. I'm not here to hype things up. I'm here to tell you exactly the truth and what the charts are saying. I'm just here to translate what, if charts could talk, okay, this is what they would be telling you. So, it's easy. We just follow the trend. That's all. I don't care if Elon Musk says it's going to 100. Okay. I follow the trend and I let the charts do the talking. Okay. So, everything is just speculation in the market. Remember that it's a game of probabilities. Nobody ever knows where something's going. If somebody says that they know exactly where they're going, they're liars. Okay. They're liars. Nobody ever knows. Not even the most successful people in the stock market ever know. Everything is just speculation and probabilities. We play a game of probabilities, and that is it. If the probability is not in our favor, we take those trades, and that's how people have success. So drawing yourself, doing technical analysis gives you an advantage, and you put probabilities on your side. All right. So hopefully you're taking advantage of all these videos that I'm making. And remember, this is the trend. This is downtrend now. We're building a flag here. All right. We break this. We're going to go and hit this trend line again. All right, guys. So everything is still going according to plan. These corrections are necessary. We can't just go up forever. The stock, the RSI does need room to breathe. Okay. But other than that, as long as we stay up on this uptrend, remember when I was telling you guys, as long as we stay on this uptrend, we're Gucci. No need to worry. We're good. If we break below, then have a plan. All right. Now I'm telling you the same thing. As long as we stay up above this uptrend right here, okay, we are good. No need to worry. Just draw it on your charts. Look at it whenever you have a chance. And other than that, we stay above. You're good. No need to worry. All right. We are on our way to the moon, or to Mars, or to $1, or to 80 cents, whatever you believe, wherever you think it's going. All right. That is totally up to you. So Again, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm new to YouTube, but I'm not new to trading. I do this full time. So hopefully, you can give me some love and, give me a subscribe, share it with other friends that might find this beneficial. Other than that, guys, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful night wherever you're at. Maybe it's morning for you. I have no idea, but I hope you have an excellent, excellent afternoon. I wish you the best of luck, the best of wealth. Okay. And hopefully I'm helping you along the way. That is all that I'm here for you, is to share the knowledge that I have learned over the years, and I want to share it with others. So till tomorrow, whatever happens, I'll keep you updated on anything that the stock is doing. So till then, adios, amigos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.